Most people think that when their phone screen turns off, everything stops. But there's one Google setting that drains battery every day without you noticing, and almost nobody turns it off. Even when your phone looks idle, apps still run quietly in the background. Not aggressively, just consistently. In limited cases, apps can collect usage signals, location patterns, and signals from your activity around the phone, like right after searching or interacting with apps. Over time, this background work slowly eats battery and can make your phone feel less smooth after a few weeks. We usually allow this because many of these options are switched on by default. Let's fix that right now. Open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap Google, then select All Services. Now head to Privacy and Security. And this next screen is the one most people skip instantly. Tap Personalize using shared data. What you see may vary slightly by phone, but the purpose is the same. When these options are on, your phone quietly shares activity data with apps. Leaving these on can slowly drain battery and affect performance, especially after a few weeks. If you don't need these features, they're just running in the background. I recommend switching them all off. And don't worry, this won't break your apps or stop them from working normally. Now go back to Privacy and Security, because this next toggle is the one most people regret ignoring. Tap Usage and Diagnostics. This option is usually turned on by default. It tracks how you use apps and how your phone behaves, and it runs daily in the background. You may not notice it right away, but after a few weeks, especially on older phones, turning this off can noticeably improve battery life and make your phone feel smoother. I suggest disabling it. Next, let's talk about the part that makes people feel uneasy. Have you ever searched or interacted with something, then later saw ads for it everywhere? This is when ads start feeling personal. Phones aren't actively listening all the time, but ad systems can potentially use your activity signals to personalize ads. This setting controls a big part of that. Go back to Settings. Tap Google, then All Services again. Under Privacy and Security, choose Ads. First, reset your advertising ID. Tap Reset Advertising ID and confirm. Now the most important step. Tap Delete Advertising ID. This stops apps from tracking you for personalized ads. Over time, many users notice fewer hyper-targeted ads, reduced background activity, and slightly better battery life in daily use. And before you go, if you think these settings were hidden, wait until you see what Samsung turns on by default. In the next video, I'll show you a Samsung feature that runs daily in the background, uses battery and mobile data, and quietly collects info even if you never open it, and how turning it off can give you more control, better battery life, and improved privacy.